Hello and welcome everyone. Those of you joining me here and those of you who are adding your love and light through time and space. Today we are going to co-create with the beautiful angel realm and the angels and light beings of nature. As always, we start with connecting, grounding, centering, and protecting ourselves. So what I ask you and what I invite you to do is take a deep breath and relax. Close your eyes if it feels right to you, and make sure you sit comfortably. Please breathe deeply. Feel your feet on the ground and feel your connection with the earth. Feel or sense beautiful golden roots going down from your heart into Gaia, into the beautiful earth. And feel your connection with this planet. If you wish so, you can place your hands on your heart. Breathe deeply. Connect with all realms of our beautiful planet. And now we express our crystal clear intention for our co-creation today, which is about co-creating with the angel realm, the beings of light, assisting nature. Beautiful. And now we begin by honoring Lady Gaia, the angel of our beloved planet. We thank her for holding us, for blessing us, for filling our hearts and reality with so many gifts. Just breathe in this deep connection with Lady Gaia. And now we call in Seraphim Seraphina, the beautiful being of light. And now we call in and we welcome the guides of the planet of trees who have been co-creating with us before. They are beautiful beings of light, guardians of forests and protectors of trees. And now we call in the angels, archangels of nature. Archangel Perlimiak, Archangel of Nature. Archangel Ariel, the beautiful Archangel of Nature. Archangel Bobki, the Archangel of the Bird Kingdom. Archangel Felier, the Archangel of the Animal Kingdom. Archangel Preminiliak, the Archangel of the Insect Kingdom. Just feel these beautiful beings of light stepping in around us in a golden grid. And now we call in the four mighty archangels, Archangel Michael and Faith, Archangel Gabriel and Hope, Archangel Raphael and Mary, Archangel Uriel and Aurora. Feel this beautiful sacred connection with the golden grid now. We welcome also Archangel Rockwheel, Archangel Sandalphon, the beautiful blue-colored Archangel Jewels of oceans and seas. We call in Archangel Gersisha and Archangel Butialil. Feel them into our circle now. Connect with the energies and the frequencies. Now we call upon the Dragon Kingdom, the Unicorn Kingdom, the beautiful fairies, elven folk, the fauns, and all the nature spirits who would like to join us and have been joining us through many sessions. We call in the crystal beings and the stone beings. We call in the spirits of the land. Feel once more these connections, and the golden grid the golden circle is growing. More and more of us stand in this beautiful, powerful circle of light. We are calling in the coders and decoders, the timekeepers. And now, the light workers and the light keepers from all kingdoms are joining us. Tree beings, animals, crystal beings, come, 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 please join us. We call upon Lord Pan, the beautiful shimmering green Lord of Nature, to please join us. And we call in Archangel Shamuel, the Archangel of Love. Please come and join us. And once more we tune to this beautiful circle of light. Feel and sense the energies and the frequencies now. Beautiful. Now, beloved one, feel it now. A vast gathering of beings of light around us. Angels, archangels, unicorns, dragons, nature spirits, beautiful light workers and grid workers from all realms. Together we form a shimmering circle of light. And of course we are totally protected, bathed in this light. And now I ask you that you call in all the beautiful angels you co-create with as a soul. And I call in my light team, Amaraya, Puraie, Airae, and all the beautiful beings of light I co-create with, Astar and Astara. Take the time and call in all the beings of light you co-create with. And now, beautiful soul, we are ready. We are grounded. We are protected in this beautiful, powerful light. We are connected with our guides and angels and the beings who've been co-creating with us the last 3 years. Planetary Gridwork after Planetary Gridwork. So let's begin. Once more, let's focus on our intention of connecting and co-creating with the beautiful angels and the beings of light of nature. Feel a beautiful, gentle angel song as the frequency is still rising. Breathe deeply into your heart. Beautiful. And now I ask that this golden grid of the angels and light beings of nature to be shown to us. I ask that this beautiful shimmering golden grid is placed inside our golden circle so we can start connecting with it. Eseyao eta 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 eseyao eta eta iteao iteao eta eta eta. Now you can feel and sense a golden grid in front of us. And you can sense it's almost like an unfolding carpet of light. As it starts unfolding, it looks like a carpet who's unrolled. You can see and sense golden codes, like sparkles coming out of it. And I call in Vishuae, the beautiful galactic dragon friend and co-creator, to please assist us now. And Vishuae, you can feel and sense it's a huge, beautiful galactic dragon and comes with many beautiful shimmering white dragons of Archangel Gabriel. And then the grid is open in front of us, but it's still downloading. It's a very high frequency grid and it's downloading slowly so we can connect with it, with those very high vibrations. And it's huge. You can see and sense it now. It's a huge, huge grid. You can sense the waters and rivers and seas and oceans. So the water realm is the first we can connect with inside this grid. And springs and wells. And now we can feel and sense the land and connect with the shimmering crystalline spirits of the land, of this grid. And now you can sense it feels like temples of light with huge golden columns. And inside and around these many temples of light, there is nature. See and sense the huge tree beings and the nature spirits and the plants and the flowers and the grass and the fairies. Beautiful, high, tall fairies. And there are sparkles of light all around them. The elven folk can feel and sense they are tall and beautiful. They look shimmering silver. And now can you feel the energy? It's just so high now. You can feel it in your hands, your whole body. Now the animals, the beautiful animal kingdom steps into the grid. And the birds and the insects. Feel and sense this grid now. the magnificence, the joy, the beauty, the peace. And now you can see and sense tall, shimmering angels inside the grid. Very beautiful, very tall. I call in my quantum guide, Amaraya. Please come, my dear friend, and please assist me here now. So now we connected with the grid and the grid unfolded. You can see it in front of you. And depending of your soul frequency, you can connect with different parts of the grid. Some of you connect with the waters. Some of you connect directly with the angels and the guardians and the nature spirits. Some of you are embraced by the love of the trees and the elven folk. Lord Pan stands in the middle. You can feel his shimmering golden green light, very, very beautiful golden green, very shiny light. I'm asked to keep a bit quiet so you can experience the energy and the frequency of the grid. And the Seraphim Seraphina with two other beautiful seraphim singing over it. So you can feel and sense the song of this grid also. Beautiful. Now I'm asked to remind you, to ask you to send your love and gratitude into the grid. Like imagine from your heart waves of love and light pouring over the grid. And they are woven inside the grid by beautiful angels. These are angels of Archangel Gabriel. These are angels of Archangel Uriel. These are angels of Archangel Perliniac. They are weaving our love and light into the grid, forming a beautiful building, a beautiful bridge of co-creation with human mission souls and the angels, co-creating so deeply with nature. And now you can ask, in what ways you are co-creating with nature, and receive the clear, crystal clear reply. In what way do I co-create with nature at soul level? You can hear clear message. You can receive codes. You can see beings of light there for you to connect and co-create. You can see the kingdom you are here to co-create with and the angels of that kingdom. I can see the bird kingdom is co-creating with some of you powerfully. And Archangel Bobki standing behind this picture of the bird kingdom. Now the angels of joy came and they flood the grid with joy. Just feel the joy now. Joy, play, delight. So beautiful. Amaraya, my beautiful quantum guide, tells me now that when you focus very, very deeply, you can see this sacred co-creation between the angels and these realms of nature, how the threads of light are woven into the kingdoms, how the fairies and the nature spirits co-create with the angels. And you can see a source light is poured down and the angels are bringing it down, and then it's woven into the realms, the plant realm. You can see it very clearly. The tree realm, who is also connected deeply with the planet of trees. The bird kingdom, who is deeply connected with the planet the birds come from. The animal kingdom, and you can see it's like a huge wave of it feels more like a wave or a tunnel of light, as animals come from many different planets. You can see this beautiful co-creation between animal souls, the planet of their origin, and the earth, and how many angels are co-creating with them in this in many ways. And now we are shown again the water realms, the incredible beings living in the waters, the plants, the animals, the spirits of the water, the nature spirits of the water. Again, a lot of joy, a lot of joy. Now I'm asked again, beautiful soul, beautiful sister and brother who may connect through time and space. Once more, focus on your heart. Feel your heart filled with love and light. Pour this love and light over the grid. It feels like a cascade of light, actually, like beautiful drops of light pouring over the grid. See now as fairies are bringing and weaving this light into the grid. And now see and sense your guardian angel standing into this grid and connecting you with the grid. Once more, many of you receive messages. Beautiful. And now, once more, Lord Pan, standing in the middle of the grid, sends towards all of us a wave of light. And through this wave of light, every one of us receives a sacred code. For some of you, these codes come straight to you. You can feel and sense it in your hand or in your heart. For some of you, this code is given to your guardian angel. And your guardian angel is giving it to you. It's a very precious code of light, connecting you with the highest timelines of all realms of nature. It feels to me like it's a key, and it's right. Amaraya said it's right. It's your key to access this grid. your key to reconnect with it, your key to anchor it in your reality, in your everyday life. My code, mine looks like a beautiful star, a beautiful little golden star. Feel and sense, how does your look like? Feel it in your hand, feel it in your heart, wherever it feels comfortable. Beautiful. We connect once more to the incredible, beautiful grid. Can you see and feel it now? It's light, it's so powerful. Can you see and sense the angels, the dragons, the unicorns? Can you see and sense how powerful, serene, and happy all sentient beings are? Sentient beings are. And now I'm reminded to connect and co-create with the incredible, powerful, crystalline beings. And you can see them now inside the grid, like pulsating light. All the colors of the rainbows, the rainbow. And you become aware now that some very big, powerful codes are brought down and anchored into the grid. These are the original codes of nature, power of nature. Nature becoming powerful, becoming respected. Humans becoming beautiful co-creators in the web of life on this planet. Beautiful codes and templates are now placed into this grid. Some are placed into the walls of the temples of light. Now, every one of you, beautiful sisters and brothers, if brothers connect with us through time and space, now you connect with an angel of light. Beautiful, powerful angel of light. And when I say angel of light, every angel is of light, of course, but what I'm told is it's an angel connected with your soul. And it's not your guardian angel, it's an angel your soul co-created with through aeons. You can hear the name of this angel. But what you receive now, it's a lot of healing, a lot of abundance and prosperity. So you can stand into your soul's frequency easily and manifest your soul mission as Lightworker, Gridworker, Lightkeeper. So you can powerfully step into your role of co-creation with the highest timelines of nature. And I'm asked to keep quiet now so you receive this healing and all the blessings you need. Feel the joy of co-creation, of this co-creation. Feel the bridges of light building between us and the angels and guardians of nature. Feel your connection with the friends you have in the nature spirit realm. the fairies, the elves, the pixies, the gnomes, the sylphs. Many of you are very much connected with the water spirits, mermaid, and nymphs, and fairies of water, of the water realm. Beautiful. Now we are asked to connect and feel the co-creation with the Lemurian Council, the golden ages of Lemuria, where nature was so loved and respected, and it existed a perfect co-creation between nature, the guardians of nature, the angels of nature, and the human beings at that time. Beautiful. Now all the new codes and templates of the new golden age and of this beautiful co-creation between angels, nature spirits, human mission souls, and all realms of nature are in place. Some of you can sense the song of the seraphim and the song of the angels. It's a beautiful feeling more than music. I can sense anyway. And once more connect with this incredible picture, if you can see it, or with this incredible feeling and frequency, if you can sense it. Feel once more the code of light you have received from this co-creation. Be aware of the beautiful angel who is still sending you love and light and healing, adjusting your frequency, blessing you with so much light. Beautiful. And they stop now. Thank you so much. I just check the field now. The bird kingdom sings beautiful bird song. You can hear different birds singing. And lots of beautiful animal light workers and light keepers. You can feel the light around them now. The cat kingdom is here with so many beautiful different cat species. And you can feel and sense a snake kingdom, their wisdom, their deep connection with the earth. And you can see, some of you who can see beautiful snakes, they look shimmering like they have gemstones, but it's their light shining through. The snakes are beautiful, wise souls, co-creating with the land and the spirits of the land, and anchoring light into the land. And many other species you are co-creating with. Beautiful. And now what you can sense, it's a golden light around this huge grid. And that's a huge protective aura or light around it, kept in place by many, many, many galactic dragons of light. Many unicorns, many beings of light. I just check the grid again. All is done. All is anchored. All the bridges are rebuilt between human mission souls and all realms of nature, between mission souls and all nature spirits, between mission souls and all angels of nature. What we also done, beautiful sister and brother, we built very clear communication between angels, angels of nature, and us, mission souls. Beautiful. Now you can stand and feel and sense this grid. Feel and sense, connect to it. And while you do that, I thank to every single being of light co-creating with us today. To all the angels, archangels, unicorns, dragons, every beautiful light team of every one of us here today, and every person connecting with this grid through time and space. Beautiful. Thank you so much for this incredible honor and joy of co-creation. And now I ask you, beautiful sister and brother, to slowly, slowly come back into your reality, stepping out of the golden, beautiful golden circle, coming back slowly, slowly into your reality. With love and gratitude and joy in your heart. And slowly feel your feet on the ground, feel your hands. And before you open your eyes, I call in the mighty Archangel Michael to place around you his beautiful protecting light. So you are protected throughout the rest of the day. And now slowly, slowly come back into your reality. Open your eyes and smile. Thank you so much for this service work, for this sacred co-creation. And I would like to remind you, beautiful soul, to please drink a lot of water. And also, after we close this circle, please take a little bit of time to walk around. If you can't take a long walk, but a couple of minutes in your garden, in your land, around your land, around your, so anchored, so you can anchor this beautiful light into your reality with intention, with love and light. Thank you so much for this sacred co-creation.